Good night, everyone. The Honorable Mr. Sanadaman Wau as our lecturer. Dear my friend, ladies and gentlemen. First, let's give thanks to God because by His grace, I was able to complete this text. Well, this time I will discuss about the danger of promiscuity for students. This is a matter that is increasingly worrying. Why did I take the time? The situation out there is very considering, I'd like use. Student age is the time to find identity. The desire to try new things is great. It is at this time that we begin to recognize attraction to the opposite sex. Unfathomable age for falling in love, and this is natural things at our age today. But that feeling will be a negative thing if you get carried away. Excessive love without being accompanied by common sense will only lead to promiscuity. Remember the sex tape videos that were widely circulated. Not once or twice has this happened. And what is the subject of the tape? Fertility, the subject in the video is students. Age approaching adulthood, want to try many things without thinking. Can you imagine how the subject in the video felt? Their future is ruined. Some hands in lifetime. The family is also dragged into an unfortunate situation. All the negative impacts start from promiscuity among students. Basically, love can be a motivation and lead to positive things if done wisely. We all must have fallen in love and become more enthusiastic about college, right? If that is the case, harboring and on mutually supporting a relationship, it will bring many beneficial effects. We can learn together, support each other, and help each other. That is the result you can get if you build a relationship that is based on morals and good attitude. Dear friend, being a student is when you have complete control over yourself. This responsibility is no longer influenced by others. You become the leader of each individual. On the other hand, the opportunity to be dragged into promiscuity is very large. There are no strict limits and rules like when you were at school age. Only you can forfeit yourself. Promiscuity may seem challenging on the surface, but there are so many consequences that need to be taken into account. Always equip yourself with religious moral and responsibilities, including in building a relationship. Free association will only make you know considerate and undergoing the learning process. Your role as a student will be described. Not to mention, if there is a problem, many things will be triggered and escape your concentration. Remember, being a student is an opportunity that comes once. It will not repeat, and there is a second chance. Don't waste it by valuing it with negative. There are still many positive activities that you can choose as a student and agent of change. And then I believe you all have moral responsibility that will always be carried out, whether it's for families, also for campus institution. Always keep the troops placed in you. Always remember that you as a student carry the good name of the campus. Never be tempted by the happiness of the moment and forget the main responsibility as a student. Um, Thanks for your attention. Oh.